Okay. No! I got that all on video. Let's go! Headlights are fine. That's pretty lucky.
Where they're mounted isn't.
Yeah, where they're mounted isn't, but the headlights themselves are fine. It's already turned to the right a little, but you need to go right. Yeah, just let it roll. You just smashed your exhaust in to the ground. Oh well.
You unloaded it?
Yep. What's up, guys?
Take the next left.
We're on our way again to go pick up parts. We got a 4-hour trip ahead of us, there and back. Gonna go pick up E36. Shh, not shell. This is a full E36, just been sitting for forever. He had it up like about 3 months already. He was asking 1,500 for it. On messages, I talked him down to 500, and that was in September. It is now October. And I messaged him, what's the lowest he'll go? He said he can do 400. So we're gonna go check it out or try to grab it for maybe 200. That's my hope. If I can give him 200 and leave with the E36, I'll be happy. Yeah, see you when we get there. The ramp is not really. You're dragging the ramp.
As long as it stays on.
Just drag it forward a little. Almost fell off the trailer. Almost braking. Well, that's what happens when you don't strap it down good enough.
I thought a BMW is a good drift car. This thing's a boat.
A boat?
Boat weighs more than the truck, bruh. Yeah, that's crazy.
And who thought a 1.8 liter is good in this car? All right, we made it home. Picked up the parts car. Paid 200 bucks. And I'm happy. It's all right. All the parts are good. Just small damage on the grill. But other than that, I think we should be fine. Tomorrow, we're gonna take the front end apart. Get my E36 going back on the road. I think. I don't know. I busted my oil pan, so I either have to weld my oil pan, replace it, or just JB weld it. So I don't know. We'll see. The dude said that this E36 caught fire. It started smoking from under the dash, and that's why it was parked in 2016. So it's been sitting for a while. I don't think the engine is usable. We'll find out though. I'm hoping it is. Hoping it's better than mine. Yesterday, we came home with this on overview of the parts. The hood is almost perfect. Has one dent right there. Fenders are also good. No major dents or anything that I can see. A lot of what's it called? Peeling on the clear coat. It's been sitting for a long time. Bumper's perfect. Headlights are good. Got the corner lights. The grill. Only problem that I'm seeing is this small piece of rust right here and this little hit right here under the corner light. This fender's perfect. No dents. One little scratch. Doors are perfect on both sides, so that's good. Got the rear quarters also great shape. Got all the wheels, rear bumper, rear quarters, tail lights, trunk. It's all here. This side's pretty green, but it's all there. corners. Oh, see that rust? Man, GG, it's totaled. I'm sure some of you are asking, why don't you just use the shell that you picked up? Well, first off, the reason we can't be using this shell is that roof just caved in. Another reason is we didn't get any paperwork with it when we bought it. So, I mean, it'd be perfect for a drift beater, but I already got my car, and it's already registered under my name. So, replace the hood, fenders, front grille, headlights, corner lights, install a bumper, a bash bar, radiator core support, radiator. That is also a 318, so I'll be able to use that radiator and parts off the motor that I need. Supposedly that motor's still good, and my hope is that I can use this section, cut it off somewhere over here, and weld that section on to that one. Since this I didn't get too damaged, yeah. I'm probably gonna swap the doors onto here because those doors are much cleaner and they actually open. The trim's all on there. Look at this, look at this. I bet you've never seen something like this before. See this? See this? Yup. It still opens. Kind of closes. Works. So that's more that I can ask for. Look at this trunk. Yup. It opens. Forgot to mention that it is October 17th. This happened on the 4th of July. So it's been like 3 months this thing's been sitting here. We are going to drain the power steering. Okay, got the tie rod end loose, and on that side over there, I'm gonna remove these tie rod ends, then I'll get to the steering joint up there and then try to get the rack out. Destroyed the motor like it's nothing. Oops. Anyways. For one hood, how well it lined up after the crash. Look at this. This fender fitment is pristine. Don't even need to replace this fender. Headlight, even the grill kind of lines up. Then we go over to this side where the main impact was. Look at that. Not bad, not bad. Fenders lining up. Only thing is, down here you can see the fitment of the hood, how the whole core support bent down. Pulled the headlight, pulled the grill and everything. I mean, hey, I'm really excited. Replace this one fender right here, bend up my core support, replace my grill, headlights, corner lights, install a front bumper, and this thing is ready to go. Of course, get the control arms and all that done. That was a really light crash. Well, now I got my hood stuck shut and I can't open it. And I broke my handle to open it. Well, damn, the cable itself snapped. I need to replace that as soon as possible. Okay, I need to get some help. Okay, so after a bit of struggling, I'm gonna kill myself.
Why is it loose? Vibration?
Huh?
Found something in the car. I didn't put pressure on it. It fell down.
What fell down?
Bolt off. E36 is working. No? That came off. I was not happy with this car.
So that's how you remove a E36 front end. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Alright, welcome back guys. It's been 5 minutes. Time to continue taking the rest apart.